Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jomer and my goal in every video is to help you grow your best relationships. Today, we're kicking off a new series by talking about 5 signs to know when you need new friends. I'm 26 and feel like I've experienced enough post-graduation to talk about one of the biggest issues, outgrowing friends. Our 20s are a time where our high school and college friends don't meet our every need anymore. And it's hard to make friends when you're not in a school environment where all you have to do is sit at a desk and wait for somebody to exchange notes with you. So let's jump into it and talk about 5 signs to know when you need new friends. Sign number 1 is that you feel like you have to pretend to be someone that you're not. If you don't actually like the same jokes, shows, hobbies as the people in the group, then chances are you're just trying to fit in. And I totally get it, I've been there too. But forcing ourselves to fit into a group doesn't build sustainable relationships. Eventually, you'll spend so much energy trying to keep up these 2 different versions of yourself that you'll just burn yourself out. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to kick your entire friend group to the curb. Maybe there are some jokes or shows that you like, it's just not clicking as much. So if you're experiencing this problem, one of the best things to do is to start double dipping into different friend groups. Find ways to slowly join groups that you think you'd have more in common with. And usually the hardest part for people is that you know what group you might want to join, but you don't exactly know what to say. But it's actually pretty simple. Just talk about the things that you have in common. Sign number 2 is that you have a different lifestyle than your friends. Some people are ready to get married while others are still single. And it can be hard to relate to their stage of life when you're still trying to figure it all out. If there are people right here who are trying to buy houses and there's people right here who are still struggling to pay their student loans, then it becomes hard to talk about mortgages and debating between if people should buy a 1-family house or a 2-family house. I feel like part of the uncomfortability is talking to somebody who seems like they have their life together. And these conversations made me feel worse because with every conversation, I started to feel like I was falling behind. When in reality, I wasn't falling behind, I was just on my own timeline. You'll be happier if you spend less time with people that make you feel like you're behind and instead spend more time with people that know exactly where you are in life. Sign number 3 is that you have different goals. The way you know if this applies to you is if you start talking about something that you're striving for and your friends don't reciprocate by talking about something that they're working on. If you're trying to level up in your career and all your friends are content, it's going to be hard for them to understand the challenges that you're going through. However, if you do need somebody to talk to, a good place to start would be your coworkers. They'll understand your struggles, work-life balance, and may even be able to offer a second perspective that could help you. Sign number 4 is that you have communication styles that don't exactly mix well together. Some people are more assertive, others are more passive, and it's important to choose friends that you can connect with. I personally found that opposites attract pretty well. So if you're a person that doesn't talk that much, finding somebody that initiates a conversation can lead to a nice dynamic. Sign number 5 is you feel drained after spending time with them. This one is a giant red flag. Hanging out with friends is supposed to help you de-stress and re-energize yourself. If you're at the end of every hangout, feel like you used a lot of mental energy, and you didn't have a fun time, then you're friends with people that aren't proper friends. So until you find new ones, honestly, doing anything is better. You can avoid feeling drained by doing things that can re-energize you. Any hobbies, watch a show, eat your favorite snack, it'll help make your day better. Now I know you were expecting 5 signs, but if you made it here, I want to thank you for your support by giving you an extra sign. Sign number 6 is that you feel like you're not growing or learning with them. This one is a personal favorite. Friendships are supposed to help you move forward by giving you love and support. If your friends are making you feel bad about yourself and moving you backwards, then they are not your friends. Up to this point, I've been giving solutions that help you with the stages of being between certain friend groups, but these particular people just need to go. Get them out! Your life will be better without them. And after you drop them, if you're feeling lonely and you need a friend to talk to, I would love to have a conversation and get to know you in the comment section. So those are all the signs I have for you. By the end of this video, you should have a better sense of knowing if you need new friends. If I didn't answer all your questions, don't worry. I'll be covering more of this topic throughout the rest of the series. So if you like this video and want more content about growing the best relationships for yourself, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep improving, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.